right, so Jordan's gonna help us unbox the Stillen Gen3 long tube intakes. That was the overwhelming choice of most of the people that commented on my last video. And so I waited 2 weeks to hear what everyone was gonna say. They wanted to have installed on my Infiniti G37, and the Stillen was the choice, so we bought it and now we're unboxing it. So we're gonna take a look at what all comes with this kit. The rubber tubing for the PCV hose. Z1 Motorsports decal.
Yeah.
All right, that's who we bought it from. I could have gotten it on the Stillen website, but it was actually a little bit more expensive on the Stillen website. They had it on sale on Z1 Motorsports. The filters, and those will go right behind the front grille. They meet up right behind here. All right, and then the couplers, silicone couplers, and the hose clamps. Looks like, what, 4 of those big ones and then some smaller hoses too?
Yeah.
Alrighty. And that is the shield to prevent like water and snow and different things from getting in. On the sedan, that's where the 2 filters will go like this when they meet in the middle. And that will block anything from getting in the engine bay and getting sucked into the filter. Jordan knows a little bit about that, sucking water into an Infiniti. So, all right, one of the tubes. That looks like right where it meets up with the filter in the front, I think. And that's the part that has the, I think that's the map sensor housing. All right, and then the same thing for the other side, the two metal tubes. So we'll get started on that install. So now Jordan's gonna show you how to remove the bumper. Oh, just like that. Hey, didn't even have to remove any fasteners. How about that? No, that's not actually how that went. That was actually a complete nightmare. And I'll show you what happened. This part is supposed to come off real easy, but this is the worst part of the installation so far. There's a nut inside of this white plastic piece, and this goes right here. And when you try to remove the bolt, which is actually the most difficult to get to begin with, you start turning on that bolt with your ratchet, and this just spins freely forever. So you can never get that bolt out unless you can get some tension on there. Granted, this is not easily accessible. It's already covered up by the bumper cover, like on all sides. So you have to bend on it until you apparently break one side. You get one side right and you break the other side. So I completely tore off this section right from here to here. And now this one is still attached. This plastic is completely ripped off. So this installation is going good so far. right, so we got the passenger side mostly queued up here. Got the bracket installed. The bolt on here set up. We just have to tighten the hose clamp on the filter. And then tighten these two right here. And we're moving right along. Tubes installed, hose clamps attached and tightened, filters on, splash guard attached. Everything's looking good. All right, so complete installation done. Looks really good. Got the mass airflow sensors back in, got the Z1 Motorsports PCV hoses installed. It's looking really clean. Now we just got to put the whole front back together. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up for the first cold start with the new intakes. Hit it, Jordan. Yeah. Feels like it opened her up a little bit.
Yeah.
Sounds good. When you were revving on it, nothing was rattling or shaking or anything. It seems neat.
Yeah.
So I thought the worst part of the installation was going to be the extra routing with the Dremel out the front core support. But actually the worst part of the installation was right here. I completely mangled my front bumper right here. I basically like ripped it off one piece from another because I couldn't get past a bolt. There was a nut that was spinning freely with the bolt and I couldn't get past it. And so I ended up ripping my front bumper cover right here in order to clear that bolt, unfortunately. So that was probably the worst part of this whole situation. But other than that, I would say the installation wasn't too difficult and the instructions were sufficient. So now we're gonna give it a few rips, a little test run to see how we feel about the performance gains.